Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate GoDaddy website builder with Cloudflare. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com. If you have not already, from there you can go ahead and open up the website builder and your website that you have created. It's going to open up this editor mode right here. As you can see, the left side of the screen and the right side of the screen, we can find all the options for managing our website, and here we have the settings and so on. So now what we're going to do is proceed to your portfolio right here, also the GoDaddy website, by clicking on the godaddy.com website and opening up our domain dashboard. From the dashboard, now here at the left side of the screen, we can access our portfolio and everything we need. And now we can go and follow the steps on how we can go ahead and set it up with Cloudflare. As you can see here we have an article on how to go ahead and set up a Cloudflare account and how you can go ahead and use it to integrate it with GoDaddy. So once you have go ahead and gotten your Cloudflare account, you're going to go to the GoDaddy domain Cloudflare. This is this portfolio right here, and then you're going to go ahead and open up your DNS records and update your name server. So we're going to go to domains and then click manage domains. That is available right here in your portfolio. As you can see, you have the domain section. If you want to access it from your website, you can just click get a custom domain, and then you can get started resetting it up directly with your DNS and Cloudflare by following the instructions, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.